Have you recently received your first extra income, whether from a bonus, side hustle, or tax refund, and wondered what to do with it? It's an exciting moment, but it can also be overwhelming when you realize the many options available. The truth is, how you handle this extra money can have a huge impact on your long-term financial health. In this video, we shall explore the 8 things you should not do with your first extra income. These common mistakes can quickly derail your financial progress, but with the right approach, you can make this extra cash work for you in a smart, intentional way. Let's dive in. 1. Succumbing to lifestyle creep. One of the most common mistakes people make when they receive extra income is lifestyle creep. This happens when your spending increases as soon as your income does. You may feel tempted to upgrade your car, move to a fancier apartment, or buy things you've always wanted. But here's the thing. Doing so can quickly lead you right back to living paycheck to paycheck, regardless of how much you're earning. The trick is to keep your lifestyle the same, even after receiving extra income. You don't need to splurge or reward yourself with an upgrade. Instead, treat that extra money as a tool for achieving your financial goals. Whether it's putting more into your savings, investing for the future, or paying down debt, the key is to ensure that this additional cash helps you build financial freedom rather than tying you down with new obligations. 2. Ignoring high-interest debt. Next, let's talk about high-interest debt. If you have credit card balances or other high-interest debt, using your extra income for fun purchases might seem tempting, but it's a huge mistake. You're essentially using your money to buy things while paying high interest rates that are slowly eating away at your wealth. Financial experts agree that high-interest debt is a wealth killer. So, before spending a single cent of that extra income, prioritize paying off your high-interest debt first. The sooner you eliminate that debt, the faster you'll be able to save and invest without the burden of interest payments hanging over you. By focusing on clearing these debts, you stop the snowball effect of compounding interest and put yourself in a much stronger financial position. 3. Mixing extra cash with regular income. If you deposit your extra income into your main checking account, you're setting yourself up for impulse spending. With everything all mixed together, it's too easy to dip into the extra cash for non-essential purchases or just vibes of the moment. So, what's the solution? Keep that extra income separate from your regular income. Create a dedicated account just for your extra cash, whether it's for savings, investments, or building an emergency fund. This way, you can ensure that the money is going toward your intended goals, not getting swallowed up by daily expenses. Keeping it separate also allows you to track your progress and stay focused on building your future, rather than frittering it away on temporary pleasures. 4. Forgetting about an emergency fund. Let's face it, life is unpredictable. Medical emergencies, home repairs, or unexpected expenses can pop up at any moment. And in 2026, you need a solid emergency fund to protect yourself from financial uncertainty. Unfortunately, many people make the mistake of using their extra income to invest or splurge, forgetting to build up their safety net first. An emergency fund should be your first priority. Aim to set aside at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This will give you peace of mind, knowing you can handle whatever life throws your way without scrambling for cash or having to sell investments at a loss. The emergency fund is your cushion that ensures you stay financially stable during tough times, allowing you to pursue your bigger financial goals with confidence. 5. Falling for get-rich-quick schemes. With the rise of AI, digital markets, and cryptocurrency in 2026, scams and get-rich-quick schemes have become more sophisticated than ever. You may come across ads promising quick, high returns or the latest investment opportunities that sound too good to be true. The truth? If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Instead of diving into speculative investments or flashy schemes, take a step back and evaluate the risk. If you don't fully understand the opportunity, it's probably best to avoid it. Stick to proven, long-term investment strategies like index funds, ETFs, or diversified portfolios. Remember, building wealth takes time, and there are no shortcuts. Stay away from high-risk investments and focus on steadily growing your wealth. 6. Overlooking tax obligations. When you receive extra income, it's easy to forget that it might come with additional tax responsibilities. Whether you're freelancing, receiving a bonus, or getting a side hustle payment, extra income can lead to a bigger tax bill at the end of the year. If you don't account for taxes, it could result in a nasty surprise when it's time to file. Before spending all of your extra income, set aside a portion for taxes. The last thing you want is to be scrambling to cover your tax obligations, especially if you're self-employed. A good rule of thumb is to set aside 25 to 30% of your extra income for taxes. This way, you're not caught off guard when it's time to pay the government. Being proactive about taxes ensures that you can enjoy your extra income without the financial stress that comes with tax season. 7. Waiting for the perfect time to invest. One of the most common mistakes people make when they receive extra income is waiting for the perfect moment to start investing. Maybe you're waiting for a market dip, hoping the market will drop so you can buy stocks at a lower price. Or perhaps you think you'll only start investing once you're rich enough to make it worth it. Here's the reality. Time in the market is far more powerful than timing the market. No one can predict market movements with certainty, and waiting for the perfect moment often leads to missed opportunities. The best time to invest is right now. Don't delay putting your extra income to work. Start by contributing to a diversified index fund, retirement account like a 401k or IRA, or other long-term investments that suit your financial goals. The earlier you begin, the more you benefit from compound interest, which can significantly grow your wealth over time. Even if you start small, consistent contributions can lead to large returns in the long run. Remember, investing isn't about making quick gains. It's about allowing your money to grow steadily over time. You don't need to wait until you're rich enough to begin. The key is to start now and let your money work for you, setting you up for a comfortable and financially secure future. 8. Making impulse luxury purchases. It's tempting to splurge on luxury items or the latest gadgets when you get some extra cash. After all, you've worked hard for it, right? It feels like the perfect time to reward yourself. Whether it's a designer bag, a brand new gaming console, or a high-end smartphone, these items can seem irresistible. However, spending on these non-essential luxury items, just because the money is available, can quickly derail your financial progress. While it might feel rewarding in the moment, these purchases can often prevent you from achieving more meaningful long-term goals, like building a retirement fund, buying a home, or saving for a big investment. The problem with impulse luxury purchases is that they provide instant gratification, but offer little lasting value in terms of your financial stability. Instead of spending on something that doesn't align with your bigger goals, it's wise to pause and think before you buy. One effective method to curb impulse buying is the 24-hour rule. If you're thinking about buying something non-essential above a certain amount, commit to waiting 24 hours before making the purchase. This cooling-off period allows you to reflect on whether you truly need the item. Often, after some time, you'll realize that the desire to buy fades and you can refocus on more important financial objectives. And that's a wrap. Now you know the 8 things you should never do with your first extra income. Remember, this money is an opportunity to build your future, not to drain your finances with impulse decisions. By staying intentional, setting clear goals, and being mindful of your choices, you'll be on the path to financial freedom in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with anyone who needs this advice, and subscribe for more tips on how to manage your money and build wealth. Let's make smarter financial decisions together and grow our future one step at a time. See you in the next video.